apply Polygel by Balaji. So Balaji, this is for you. So here's the product, Polygel by Gelish. I'm using light pink. I've already done 2. So you need to use your tool, like a slicing tool. Okay, so take your bead. For me, that's enough for 1 nail. Can you see? Yeah, all right. So slide, I like to slide into the middle of the nail and just slide the product on. Then with my brush, some people like to use a gel brush. I prefer an acrylic brush. This is a number 6. So into your liquid, I like to completely dunk my brush in and wipe it along the side just to release some of that product and get the product inside the brush. And I like to start with my brush quite wet, just to flatten out the product. Can you see? And spread it across the nail. Once I've done that, I like to push the product towards the cuticle. Then stop. Dry my brush, like just to take some of the liquid out, which I like to do. And then work the product down towards the cuticle, making sure that the brush is on the product, not touching my client's skin. Once it's in place, as you can see, it's worked nicely. I like to now drag with the belly of my brush the product down to the free edge. Go back into my liquid, just so I can move the product over onto the nail walls. And again, onto the nail wall. And then I like to check side profile. I'm gonna dry my brush out again just to get here. And now, ready to go in the lamp. Wait, hold on. Now we're ready to go in the lamp. And that's how you apply Polygel.